Have you ever wondered if you could make your own cashew butter at home?
Today, we'll show you how.
That is incredible. It is way better than peanut butter, and we love peanut butter.
Hi friends, welcome to our kitchen.
We're so glad you could stop by. Today, Leah and I have a special recipe for you today. What are we going to show our friends how we make?
Cashew butter.
Today, we are going to show you how you can easily make cashew butter at home. Leah, tell our friends, what ingredients do we have?
Cashews, olive oil, and pink salt.
It is pink salt. It's the pink Himalayan salt. You could use regular sea salt or table salt, whatever you would prefer. Just the salt pulls out the flavor. If you're interested in other healthy recipes like this, we'd love to have you subscribe so that you can know when our next video comes out. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. The cashews that we're using today are roasted. We buy them in 2-pound containers. We've got 3 cups of cashews. So let's go ahead and put our cashews right into the Vitamix wet container. Let's be careful so we don't spill them. Can we do it? There we go. There it is. Oh, we've just got a couple of them spilled. Good job. 3 of them. Go ahead and throw those right in there. Now, the cashew doesn't have a lot of the oil all by itself, so we need the olive oil. So go ahead and dump the olive oil right in there too, Leah. And there's 1/3 cup of olive oil. Here's our pink Himalayan salt. We'll go ahead and grind just a little bit in there. You can use a pinch of regular salt or whatever kind of salt you want to use. But we just wanted to grind enough just to help pull out the flavors in there. That looks good in there.
Yeah.
And now let's go ahead and take the tamper, put that on, and you just grind it up like you're making another kind of nut butter. If you've never done it, you will hear the motor change sound, at least on the Vitamix. You can do it in a few different machines, but for the Vitamix, you'll hear the noise change a little bit. Let's go ahead and put it on the Vitamix here, Leah. And go ahead and turn it on, spin it up, and turn this one. That one. And there is our cashew butter. You may think that it looks quite runny for nut butter right now, but we've made it before without adding oil, and once it cools down, it gets quite hard. So you do want to make sure you have that oil. We also another time have added honey if you want a sweet nut butter. It actually reminded me of frosting. Today we want just regular. We are going to store it in our Snapware container, so you can see that right there. Let's go ahead and taste that. Grab your spoon there, Leah.
It smells good.
It does. It smells like fresh cashews. Go ahead and let's try that. That is incredible. It is way better than peanut butter, and we love peanut butter. If you want it even a little sweeter, add some honey, but we love it this way. Thanks so much for stopping by our kitchen today. We're so glad you could join us. In the comments below, go ahead and tell us, what is your favorite way to eat cashew butter? Have you eaten it on toast? Do you make cashew and jelly sandwiches? What's your favorite way to make it? Thanks so much for joining us today. We'll see you next time. Okay, here we go. Ready? Oh, we'll go ahead and just grind that. Oops. Try it again. Ready?